From the provider, Tawugame, 750 watt leaf blower, 200 kmh power, 1.6 kg speed. It comes separately packaged as well as the box, all your parts and material. The TF64A3 is not just a leaf blower. Let's open up the package and show you how nicely the rest is boxed. It comes in a carrying case, portable indeed. 50,000 RPM, 2,000 milliamps, Astrofat 8 battery. As we open up the package and unzip the soft shell case, you have an instruction guide, your turbo fan. It has an LED light. It has the fan speeds, turbo speeds, and the power cable to charge the system. You have this little nice capsule. This way you use the unit, it has safety air plugs for you. It has a soft rubbery grip of plastic. Please remove all stickers, the fan area, a large LED area, and the blowing area. And the controls, a dial and buttons. You have the on and off and charging area. This is what the fan looks like. Charging up for the first time is taking the plug into the dedicated area, plugging in to the side, and allowed to charge. We have a green light that circles around, and please remember to peel all safety stickers off. On the bottom is an on and off switch, and when you turn it to the on position, unit starts up and gives you a warning that you need to turn the fan knob to 0. And you have a turbo button and a span stepless speed. As you can see, the numbers here are what we're on. Speed number 11. This is a powerful fan. It is a very powerful fan. We have a turbo. If we press the turbo, this will go 50,000 RPMs. Now we'll demonstrate this outside for you. Turning the thing to 0 shuts off. If I place this on the table and I start to rotate, it pushes back, and that is the force of the unit. Let's go demonstrate outside, blowing dirt, leaves, and stuff. Let's show you how the attachments go on. We have a short nozzle. We have a point of interest. It slips on and it will rotate and lock and match up. You're able to take this off easily and rotate it on the side as well and lock up as long as it locks into place. We have a long shoot that we will take on. The same thing, lock up and rotate on. At the edge, we take the soft rubber handle onto the extended nozzle and slide forcefully on. And now we are set to blow snow, leaves, and more on an ergonomic angle. The short rubber nozzle will not fit onto the unit itself. It will not fit on to the small nozzle itself. It is only for the long extension nozzle, and this will not fit on as well, either end. As we open up the container with the air plugs, simply roll, place in. We have on the floor some debris. We turn on, rotate. It is not hard to see the screen in blue, what it looks like, and pick a speed to blow. If we need the turbo, we have a square button above the light. We simply press for turbo. And that is a forceful blow if asked. As we use turbo, it has limits. It can only be ran for so many seconds, and we'll do that once again. Now what we're going to do is turn the fan on to a certain speed and complete our cleaning. So if you're looking to get the leaves out of the garden and no raking, you simply turn on and express and shut off. That is the automatic leaf blower with adjustable stepless speeds and a turbo speed with a low light to enable a night by a switch. Clean the area in a matter of a couple of seconds. I'm going to stand over here with the leaf blower in the on position and blow the flag. We're in a low light situation. You have a blue light, a green light, and the speed. As you can see, it increases and changes colors. Hitting the turbo and the light. And that is the light on the floor to show you what it looks like, and shutting the light off and turning it on. You got stubborn dirt and you need to blow it out? How about water in the drain that you need to push out? And clear. With the bottom switch turning in the off position, everything shuts off, and then turning back on, it is reset to default in the off position. Brushless leaf blower from Tawugame. The 2000 milliamp, 50,000 RPM brushless system. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.